Hello guys, so I'm going to surprise you. CHUKS by this time. Waiting so I just see one breaking news in the last 1 hour. You get so I be only leave until tomorrow, but I say no, man still drop on this night. Make some people sleep where you get because now good news to be. So this evening, in the last 1 hour, let's say 40 something minutes, Chris Whitley, maybe one of the journalists who the writes for Football London World, now see Arsenal correspondents like Charles Watsimbi. So Babacon posts for a Facebook page say Bukayo, Saka and Jurriën Timber are with the Arsenal squad ahead of the Liverpool game. You get so obviously I thought they hide these two people. And when I consider that post, I say this Chris Whitley no fit gonna give us bobo now. No fit gonna fry pomo for us. You get based on in reputation, he has over 700,000 followers. Like no fit gonna lie for us or call the prank us, call the play with us. So let's assume say this is true. That means tomorrow match, the dimension of tomorrow match it don't change. Because that means at least the defense will be a bit solidified. At least the attack self, at least we go get small bites. That bites so they miss for some games we don't play in the past. At least we'll get an injection of pace. Even though we still get reservations on how fit they are. But for the physios to certify them okay to play, I never know how much game time these two guys go play. I never know how much game time. But for them to be involved, at least even if now 40 minutes, 50 minutes, 60 minutes, then play, now still something gets, now still something to be. And for the Emirates Stadium, the match will make sense. And Liverpool no be team really they play that kind of physical game. Then self they play clean football. We said they play clean football, so it will make a whole lot of sense. In fact, I can't even remember what Ateta talk for press conference. Now I can't understand why Ateta was filled with confidence. Say on Sunday we will fly. Like say the physios don't give on that timeline. Say, Baba, no worry, these people they go they fit before the match goes up. No worry, they go they fit. So now waiting me they think. So some people even they talk say the way it be now, we will not be surprised. We even see what they got for the lineup. So I don't really know. So I say make I give it like this news. I don't say no. Some people will see this news this night. Some people feel don't sleep already. Maybe now by tomorrow morning you go to see this video. So once you see this new breaking news, at least it will make your mind rest more. It will make your mind sweet more. You will feel sleep well, knowing that Saka might play a part in tomorrow's game. Now something to say, it give me joy as I see him, and I say I don't want to sleep on this alone. Make I see drop on because so that's what it just be. All right, guys. So now if you go sleep, so we'll see you tomorrow. Now bye bye.